In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a blower motor on your Scion XB. This is going to be located under the dash on the passenger side. Let's get started. Looking under the dash, you're going to find your blower motor. We have our connector right here. There's a push button right on the side on my forefinger. Push that, pull straight down. Remove the connector. Pull down on the plastic clip to remove the harness. Using a T25 bit, we're going to remove the 3 screws. Remove the 3 screws and pull the blower motor straight down. Install the new blower motor into place and get the 3 screws started. Snug all the screws down. Install the plastic harness clip. Install the connector for the blower motor. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.